Hello and welcome back to another massage tutorial of Yoga Fit with Ed and Ross. Today we will be lifting our jowls and laugh lines mainly, and I'll share some of the tips, so stay tuned and watch till the end. You can follow along, which is the best way to massage yourself if you are a first time self massager. To start with, make a fist and massage the back of your chin towards your ears. It helps in getting rid of double chin and have a beautiful jawline. One of the causes of double chin is sagging cheeks. Do this to eliminate the sagging cheeks. Repeat on the other side as well. Very important to do it on the both sides. Through this massage, your cheeks will lift naturally. Now make a hook with your forefinger and middle finger and slide. Never massage without oil, else you will end up having more wrinkles on your face. Switch to the other side. If you are concerned about the fat around your mouth, lift with this massage technique. Lifting the corners of your mouth makes you look younger. Lift the lower cheek like this. Switch to the other side, gently lift and get rid of the cheek fat. Massage from the chin to the cheekbones like this. Lift it naturally. Be gentle. Don't overdo. After this massage, your cheeks will feel extremely lifted and skin will glow as the blood circulation takes place when you massage your face and neck. Now massage upwards, lift up from your jaws to your temple. Repeat on the other side as well. When you do this every day in the morning, the whole day you will feel so fresh and glowy. Now massage your cheeks diagonally upwards using your knuckles. Be gentle yet firm. Use this part of the palm to massage your face diagonally. Do not forget to lift as you slide and keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Washing your face after massage will damage the skin barrier. If you wash your face after massage with only water, oil will not be removed. You will get blocked pores and later pimples. Remove oil from your face with a cold wet towel or tissue. Don't wash your face immediately, as we have already washed our face with a cleanser before massage. If you are going out, you can apply basic cosmetics once you are done removing oil and heat completely from your face. Now massage your temporal muscles, very important because it is connected to the muscles of the cheeks. If you are new to my channel, I'm Adria. I'm a yoga coach. This channel is dedicated to yoga, face yoga and massages. I share clean and healthy eating. Don't forget to subscribe for more contents like this. Moving on to the next step, massage around the acupuncture points on the back of your ears. Rub and massage. It promotes blood circulation on your face and cleanses it from inside. It eliminates swelling and makes your face look depuffed. Now drain to your clavicle. Lymphatic drainage is the most important part of your massage routine, never to be ignored. So we worked on our wrinkles, sagging, nasolabial folds, fat and swelling on the cheeks. How do you feel after doing this massage? Do let me know in the comment below. Feel free to ask any questions related to the massage. Next is place your palm like this and stretch, relax, keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Now the other side. This helps to lift the entire face by stretching. Rub your palms and feel relaxed. Do this massage 3 to 4 days a week. Keep pampering and I'll see you soon.